everyone, today I will be telling about the importance of wildlife with wonderful and beautiful story. Once upon a time near the city there was a dense forest with great diversity and flourishing fauna and flora. As the animal of the forest was too much friendly and have a strong unity in them. Among this huge family there was a small family of bear who was loved with a mother love. Bruno, the youngest bear of the family, who always wondered about his mother, and whenever he asked his father about his mother, he ignored him by saying that this is not right time or place or right to your age. One day he was totally frustrated and left no stone unturned to know the truth about his mother that his father was trying to hide from him since a long time. As everyone knows that she was fallen from the great height, but they were in the dark side. They don't know the actual fact that she was not fallen from the great height, but she was taken by the harsh people. After getting the truth, they were all shocked and decided to go to a city next morning. As the first ray of morning sun fell on the astral sight across the vast bright land, animal herd had a great herd and heading towards a single destination. They all joined for protest against the people. As they entered the city, they were scared and having a fear. But the people suddenly started harming them and with stone and object. But suddenly Bruno raised his voice and said that I'm here for my mother, for my childhood, for my love. I never had a mother milk or childhood with my mother. Always used to have trees, vegetables and fruits. I never had a mother milk or never sleep. If you guys were given option to take your child, separate your child from you, you would done never. But I have been done. I have been suffered. You guys can't handle us for 10 minutes while you guys come to our home and you destroy everything for your need, and we stay calm and quiet. Here, I am not harming you guys, but I want that please return my mom and my all dear my friend that you take from my home to your home for your enjoyment. So please return that you kept in your zoo or circus. The moral of the story that never separate anyone from their home. One day you will also suffer that same thing from.
It was a bright Sunday morning. I was playing with my younger brother in a balcony. Oh, sorry, forgot to mention, we own a penthouse. Anyway, let's get going with the story. So, I was playing with my younger brother and Dad was reading newspaper on his favorite rocking chair. While playing, I heard a low crowding sound like grrr, but I ignored it, thinking it to be just another fragment of my imagination. Suddenly, we heard our mother scream. Before any of us could react, she stumbled into the room, screaming, "Tiger! Tiger! There's a tiger in the living room downstairs!" We were as if rooted to our place, not actually ready to believe what we had heard. Dad was the first one to act. He quickly shut the door of the room. My younger brother, definitely scared, hung to our mother tightly. Dad called the forest officials and made them aware of our situation. I, not actually understanding what to do, but wanted to be of some help. Something clicked. I ran to a balcony and started screaming to our neighbors at the top of my lungs. "Tiger! Tiger! There's a tiger on loose! Do not get out of your house! There's a tiger in our living room downstairs!" The forest officials soon arrived and captured the tiger and took it to release him in a nearby jungle. But believe me, it was like a lifetime being stuck in our own room waiting for someone else to come and rescue us. After the forest officials had departed, my younger brother asked father why the tiger had encroached our living space. Dad took him in his arms and explained it to him that it was not the tiger who encroached our living space, but vice versa. The moral of the story is that how can you expect wild animals to survive if you don't give them a wild to live in? Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shravani Bibekar from Holy Cross English High School, Amravati. The Wildlife Week is celebrated all over the India. The aim of this week is to preserve animals in India. So here is a story. Far away on the hills, there was a jungle full of different kinds of trees and plants. Different kinds of birds, animals and insects live in the jungle with the lion king. All were happy while living with each other. One day, all the animals thought to go outside the jungle for a picnic. They thought as humans come in the jungle for jungle safari, we will also go to humans' place, that is in the city. All the animals were gathered for the discussion. The rabbit said, First, we need to take the permission of the Lion King. The fox said, "Okay, I will go and ask." The fox told the lion what all the animals had decided. The lion said, "No, I cannot give you the permission to go there because hunters are in search of us all the time." The fox thought that the lion don't want animals to go outside the jungle, and hence he is giving this reason. While reaching, the cunning fox said to all the animals, "Hooray, we got the permission." All the animals were very happy. After walking a long distance, they heard a loud gun shoot. As the fox was the leader of the group, he was in front of all the animals and hence was killed by the hunter. All the animals were very afraid and ran towards the jungle. After reaching the jungle, they met the Lion King. The lion asked, "What happened? Why are you looking so afraid?" The monkey told the lion what all had happened. The lion said, "What? I have not given anyone the permission to go outside the jungle because the place is very dangerous for the animals." All the animals said, "What? But the fox told us that you have permitted us." The lion said, "No, he lied to you. More than 200 million animals are killed every day on the land. 1.2 trillion aquatic animals are killed for food around the world every year. Man has become so selfish that just for fun he is killing us. The wildlife is coming to an end and soon it will finish. We have to protect our own selves." Moral: Friends, from listening this above story, we come to know that the fox got the punishment for his lie and we have to protect our wildlife. Big and small, let's save them all. Thank you.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव स्नेहल सावरकर आहे. मी 12 वर्षाची आहे. आज मी तुम्हाला एक गोष्ट सांगणार आहे जिचं नाव आहे प्राणी आणि पर्यावरण एक अतूट नातं. पृथ्वी नावाचा एक ग्रह आहे. तिथे अनेक प्रकारचे जीवजंतू राहतात. पृथ्वीने स्वतःला सर्व जीवजंतूंसाठी बरोबर वाटणी केली आहे. तरीही तिथे राहणारा एक लोभी जीव म्हणजेच मनुष्य आपल्या वाटेला आलेल्या गोष्टींनी संतुष्ट नाही आहे. तो जंगल वापरून राहिला आहे, ज्यामुळे तिथे राहणाऱ्या प्राण्यांना त्रास होतो आहे. त्यांची घरं उद्ध्वस्त होत आहे. काहींना खायला भेटत नाही. त्यांचं पूर्ण जीवन उद्ध्वस्त होत आहे. आणि म्हणतात ना, जे दुसऱ्यांचं वाईट करतात त्यांच्यासोबत पण वाईटच होते. माणसाच्या वस्तीत येऊन प्राणी त्यांची घरं उद्ध्वस्त करत आहेत. काही प्राणी जसे सिंह, वाघ, कोल्हा त्यांना खात आहेत. प्राणी हा संतुलित पर्यावरणाचा अविभाज्य घटक आहे. तो आहे म्हणून पर्यावरण आहे. त्याचं मुख्य कारण म्हणजे अन्न साखळी. आणि जर प्राण्यांनाच त्रास होईल तर पर्यावरणाला सुद्धा त्रास होईल. आणि जर पर्यावरणाला त्रास होईल तर पृथ्वीलाच त्रास होईल. आणि माणसांच्या याच चुकीमुळे पृथ्वी एक दिवस नष्ट होऊन जाईल. नैतिक: प्राणी वाचवा, जीवन वाचवा. धन्यवाद. बंद करना.
Hello friends, I am Vaishnavi Agrawal from class 7. I study in Holy Cross Convent English High School, Amravati. Today, I am here to tell you a story on love for animals. So let's begin. Raju, a 12 years old boy, used to do mischievous things daily. Troubling animals and birds made him happy. One day, Raju went to jungle safari with his parents. Their guide told them the unique qualities of birds and animals. He said pigeons have the strongest memory power through which she can come back to her home if we leave her anywhere. The crane can rule over the land, water and air as he can walk, swim and fly. The cheetah can run at the speed of 112 kilometers per hour, which is unbeatable. The bedbug can live on air without food for several years. The bat releases ultrasonic sound waves, and on this principle, man developed radars. Raju was really surprised to hear these unique qualities of birds and animals. He understood the greatness of God's creation. This was the turning point of Raju's life. His love for animals grew day by day and made him a forest officer in future. So friends, moral of the story is, animals can't speak for themselves, but we have to be their voice. Love them, live and let live. God will be happy if the nature is happy. Thank you.
निकेश हर रोज की तरह अपना दैनिक कार्य खत्म करके जब बालकनी में ताज़ी हवा लेने के लिए जाता है तो उसे सब कुछ बहुत अजीब लगता है। सोसाइटी के सारे बड़े लोग एक कॉर्नर में खड़े होकर कुछ ऑफिसर्स के साथ बात कर रहे थे और गार्ड भैया भी सोसाइटी के मेन गेट पर ताला लगाकर बैठे हुए थे। उनका वफादार टॉमी भी कुछ ज़्यादा ही ज़ोर से भौंक रहा था। नितेश ने सड़कों की तरफ अपनी नज़र घुमाई और उसने देखा कि कोई भी काम पर जाता हुआ नहीं दिख रहा था और सड़कें भी एकदम सूनी सूनी लग रही थी। वाकई सब कुछ बहुत अजीब था। निकेश ने जैसे ही दूसरी तरफ अपनी नज़र घुमाई तो उसने देखा कि वहाँ एक नहीं, दो नहीं, पूरा परिवार बैठा हुआ था। लेकिन ये परिवार किसी शर्मा जी, वर्मा जी या किसी कुत्ते बिल्ली का नहीं, ये परिवार तो हमारे जंगल के राजा शेर का था। निकेश तुरंत अपने घर के अंदर जाता है और अपनी मम्मी को ये सारी बात बताता है और उसकी मम्मी उससे कहती है कि बेटे, तुमने जो नीचे ऑफिसर्स देखे वो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट से आए हुए हैं और कुछ ही देर में इन सब शेरों को यहाँ से रेस्क्यू करके ले जाएंगे। उन सब के जाने के बाद में निकेश सारा दिन यही सोचता रहा कि आखिर जंगल के जानवर जंगल छोड़कर शहरों में क्यों आ गए थे। लेकिन इन सब की वजह भी तो हम मनुष्य ही है ना। जिस प्रकार हम जंगलों को अंधाधुंध काट रहे हैं और उन जानवरों से उनका आशियाना छीन रहे हैं, तो हमें इसका परिणाम भी तो भुगतना ही पड़ेगा ना। और अगर हमने आगे चलकर इसके लिए प्रयत्न नहीं किए तो हो सकता है कि एक दिन सारे ही जानवर जंगल छोड़कर शहर में आ जाए। अतः इस कहानी से हमें यह शिक्षा मिलती है कि हमें प्रकृति के साथ छेड़छाड़ नहीं करनी चाहिए और वन्य जीवों की सुरक्षा करनी चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
On my sofa, a big Royal Bengal tiger on my sofa. The lady who was panting while telling that she had to go out to get drinking water, keeping her 7-month-old baby at home. While returning, she did stop to see from the window that a giant tiger lying on her sofa in the front room and her baby playing with the toys in the other. With a flick of a second, she almost flew to the main door, lashed it from the outside, tiptoed through the back door, grabbed her baby and latched the back door too. With her baby in her arms and the Royal Bengal tiger inside her arm, she screamed with all her might for help. Out came her neighbors trying to pacify her. Some among them also called the forest office and the police, who came to their rescue. Later, the lady was awarded for her bravery and the presence of mind. But where is the tiger? Was it put back into the forest or sent into a zoo? To my young mind, there were many questions unanswered. One of them kept me in unrest. Who encroached on whose place? Was it the tiger who invaded the lady's house, or the lady's house in the sofa was kept where it was supposed to be the tiger's nest? Humans are transforming green jungles into concrete jungles and then do not shy away, telling that these animals invading our homes. Can't we humans stop ourselves from trespassing what is not ours and be satisfied with what we have? Live and let live is not enough. Live and help live should be the goal for a better world. Thank you.
मेरा नाम याशिका राजेंद्र दीक्षित है और मैं होली क्रॉस इंग्लिश हाई स्कूल की छात्रा हूँ। हर साल वन जीवन सप्ताह अक्टूबर के पहले सप्ताह में मनाया जाता है और इसी में कहानी स्पर्धा में मैं भाग ली हूँ और आज मैं आपको कहानी सुनाने वाली हूँ जानवरों का शहर में आगमन। बहुत समय की बात है, एक नामक राजा था। उसका नाम अमरेंद्र था। उसे शिकार करना बहुत पसंद था। वो कभी शेर का शिकार करता तो कभी हिरन का शिकार करता। इसी बात से सारे जानवर चिंतित होने लगे। तभी उन्होंने सोचा कि हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं। तभी उन्होंने भगवान से प्रार्थना की, हे भगवान, यह मनुष्य जो हमें कैद करता है, हमारे जंगलों को नष्ट करता है और खुद के मतलब के लिए हमें शिकार करता है, उनसे हमें बचाओ। तभी भगवान ने कहा, एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब मनुष्य अपने घर में कैद होंगे और उनके ही शहरों में तुम्हारा राज होगा। और यह बात सच हुई। कई शहरों में लॉकडाउन हो गया। कोरोना के चलते लॉकडाउन हुआ और कई शहरों में कई जानवर दिखाई दिए गए, जैसे कि नीलगाय मॉल के पास, बंदर स्विमिंग पूल में और मोर स्कूल में। और द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इज, जैसी करनी वैसी बननी। और मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूंगी उनको जिन्होंने यह स्पर्धा रखी और हम सारे बच्चों को प्रोत्साहित किया। Thank you.